This is my love letter to IKEA. You've never wanted to sponsor me and you don't know I exist, but I've always loved you. And I love your Swedish meatballs. This is about to be the best day ever! We're gonna be eating at IKEA for 24 hours. This is not a challenge, this is an honor and a privilege, and I can't wait, and I'm here with my mom, and it's gonna be a blessed day. Let's do it! By the way, I had no idea that IKEA served breakfast because it's for a very minimal time in the morning. So we got to get in there because we literally have like 20 minutes to get breakfast. Do you know you have 30 minutes? Are you kidding me? 30. Let's get in there.
What are you getting?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna get the deluxe breakfast.
You know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and we've got shopping to do.
I might do an apple juice. You're getting the deluxe?
Yes, it's huge.
Ooh, that looks really good.
Doesn't it? We're starving.
I'll do the same. I'll do the deluxe too.
Look at that. That looks amazing. Right? I think we didn't know we had it breakfast. We had no idea.
Thank you. It's looking appetizing. That's a lot of bacon. He loaded us up. Are you a little shocked with the bite that was taken out of yours? A little mouse got yours.
I know, look at that.
Okay guys, it was a little bit stressful getting in here because we realized that it was 20 minutes to breakfast ending, but we got in.
Hate it.
We both got
made
the
it.
deluxe.
Now we can try everything.
Literally.
I didn't realize they had
didn't know
huge
they had
breakfast
breakfast.
here. We'd never been here early enough, I guess.
No, I've never. I felt like I was getting up at literally the break of dawn to get here at this time. By the way, you guys, this entire meal, both of us, $15.75.
Yeah, and
Which
that's
means like $7 each. Are you out of your mind? In this economy, I think not. I gotta try the pancake.
the sausage is really good.
The sausage?
There's not.
I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I haven't been eating pork or red meat of any sort for quite a while, so this bacon is gonna be pretty exciting for me.
That's why he loaded you up, maybe.
Maybe. Or maybe because we both were like,
I'm so excited to be here. I feel excited just to see you because I didn't see you yesterday. Like, it's been a while since I saw Mia. Oh, it was just one day.
the egg is shockingly good.
The egg is done perfectly.
It's like one of those eggs where you're like, is this a real egg? The hash brown, you can't mess up a hash brown for me. Even a bad hash brown is a good hash brown in my eyes.
I like them. They're not greasy at all.
Not greasy. It feels like a potato just taken out of the earth.
Yeah.
This bacon feels like sandwich bacon.
Yeah, like it's very thin bacon.
What if Dad just walked in behind us and saw us doing this? Dad's doing some IKEA returns for us right now, and he could literally pop in at any moment and see us sitting here, facing nowhere, filming.
I'm feeling quite fortunate that I left Dad with all the IKEA returns, and now I'm up here having breakfast.
We're like, anyways, okay, bye.
I'm like, call me if you need anything, bye. I am a little bit concerned about someone took a bite out of my pancake.
I'm a little concerned about that too, but if it was the guy serving it, I'm not too worried.
I'll share with him.
Me too. Overall, I would rate the IKEA breakfast a 10 out of 10. Number 1 on the team and number 1 in your heart.
Now, who's number 1 on the field and number 1 in your heart?
For real though, this is a 10 ski. Consider the price, consider the food, consider the ambiance. I was very impressed.
This is where we have our afternoon nap after lunch.
Okay, so then after breakfast, we had a few hours to kill before lunch. So, I mean, we're in IKEA. There's lots to see and do. So we took our time checking out everything IKEA had to offer. We went into every showroom.
Here she is going to the farmer's market with her basket on her wheels.
It's like a coming-of-age movie in New York City. We sat on every couch. It's not bad. And you guys, when I tell you my mom loves IKEA, I mean she loves IKEA. Not sponsored by IKEA, I wish it was. She had that pen and the paper in her hand the whole time and was ready to shop till she dropped.
That's why I have this.
Yes, write that down.
Yeah. It's a good thing.
We're getting that.
Okay.
We've been in here for 1 minute, everyone.
I love it here. Dad, I want to do art now. I'm gonna carry these around.
Okay,
And
great.
then decide. Would that be right?
I don't think
This is
so.
something.
Put it back together now.
It's heavy. Oh gosh. Is that right? Oh gosh. This is high-tech stuff. I have this.
Do you use it?
I use it all the time in my bathroom light, and it makes it look like it's outer space.
You liking it?
Yeah, I could nap at my desk. No one could see me napping.
It's nice and quiet, right?
It really is. It could help you focus. Literally can't hear a thing. I can only hear myself think the wheels are turning. I literally looked at these before for beside my bathtub. Can you imagine all the stuff I could hang on this? I only have 17 inches of width, so if these are 17 or less, I'm getting one.
Grab
17
your
or
measuring
less.
tape.
Okay, 17 or less, it's coming with me.
Okay, let's see. It is really uncomfortable, so that's good.
17 or less. It would work.
Oh my gosh, it actually would. Write it down.
Okay.
Remember about
I'm
it.
gonna remember about it.
Remember about it.
Can you imagine Dad when I think this? Dad would be so mad.
Guys, we're stopping for lunch.
Some haddock and fries.
See, like, I feel like you should get that.
You think so?
Or the salmon.
I think I've had the salmon before. Weird.
We're back in line. Look how busy it is now. We're in a big line.
Should I grab the rainbow cake? I think you should.
I still don't know what I'm getting. Like, I wonder if I should get a wrap. Maybe I'll grab this. Okay. Mom, and I'm gonna grab this rainbow cake.
Do you think this is a spin-off of Buddies?
I do kind of.
Because it's very much like...
it's giving Buddy.
Hi, I'll have a salmon, please. Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
It's delicious, my gosh.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna grab this.
It's hot. Holy Dinah, you're gonna love that. You've been freezing.
One bowl, I better fill it up. I'm an adult, I can handle it. The lunch of champions.
Oh my gosh.
Here we are. It's a lot busier in here. For lunch. Lunch. I honestly feel like a little exhausted. We've been shopping. And now I'm like remembering we have to film.
Would
Okay.
you even call that shopping? We haven't got anything really firmed up, but we've been scrolling around.
We just looked around. Here's what we're dealing with. We've got rainbow cake, 100 of proceeds goes to charity. Soup. I got a veggie wrap. And this was a mistake, but I got this. And you got...
I have the
big
salmon,
kahuna.
the most expensive dish on the menu.
I mean, all this was $30 plus the 2 drinks.
Yeah.
Which are these drinks even?
That's the pear, and that's the lemon lime Nordic fruit water. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's so refreshing. Oh my gosh, they're both so good.
That is good.
Right? Tastes like juicy fruit gum, right?
Bury that.
It's one of those things where I didn't feel hungry, but now that it's here, I'm feeling
Now
hungry.
that you got it.
Yeah. If you blindfolded me and served me this in a fancy restaurant, I would think that it was like super luxurious. It's so good.
Are you being for real? Because it smells like you just pulled it out of the water.
It's really good.
I'm blown away by that. One thing that I want to note is that this whole meal for me is me just basically holding off on eating the Swedish meatballs. That's what this whole thing is for me. So I'm gonna give everything a try. Okay, so let's start with the veggie wrap. The veggie wrap looks good. I'll never be able to focus something near the camera with mom's face. It just wants to see her. Look at that. That's a lot of lettuce.
That is a lot of lettuce. I was gonna say, so far between breakfast and lunch for two, all the food that we got, it's less expensive than eating at 7-Eleven for the day.
That's crazy.
Right?
Now I'm gonna try the soup. So this is the red pepper and Gouda. Oh my gosh, it's very cheesy.
Is it?
Like I thought the Gouda would be an afterthought. It's a forethought.
Oh, wow.
I have never had a soup here before, but I should have. Oh, it's very pickly.
Oh.
Like it's creamy and pickly.
Mmm. That is good.
I'm ready to try the cake.
Is it good?
Girl,
Where shall I go from?
have some of that red 40.
Okay. Oh my.
It's really moist. The icing is really sweet.
It's good. I bet kids love that coming here and having that.
And adults.
And adults.
Did you notice that they gave you like the biggest piece of salmon available? Because it was seriously like all these little strips and then there was like one giant piece and they gave you it.
I know. They're feeding me. Like they're feeding us.
They are.
They've seen us shopping.
Going in every single room and appreciating each room. They're like, let's feed those girls. I'm gonna keep this for Stuart.
Yeah, that's nice.
He'll be so happy by the time I get home tonight at 7 p.m.
Yeah.
after eating here all day.
I'm gonna keep this for Dad.
That's really nice of you. When I saw that pile of whatever that is, I almost threw up.
Sorry, Dad. I think secretly Dad likes it though. He just doesn't want to admit it.
Is that why he left?
Yeah. What are your must finds on this one?
I need to find this piece of wrap stuck in my retainer. Number 2, I'm looking for that gingham blanket. And everyone better appreciate salmon because they work hard to not only feed us, but also wildlife. They travel miles and miles and miles during the salmon run, and it's important, and they fight hard, so we gotta appreciate them.
Yeah, yeah. And what would happen if there was a real shortage of them? The whole nature would take a beating.
Exactly.
The whole nature.
The whole nature, so there's that.
Yeah.
Well, that's lunch.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I'm gonna rate our IKEA lunch a 8 out of 10. The rainbow cake was definitely my favorite thing from this meal, even though I solely bought it because it was a donation snack. It was my favorite thing, so it was worth it. Now we go back to shopping. At this point, we're going through IKEA with a fine-tooth comb. No rock is left unturned by us. We're finding things we've never even seen before at IKEA. I'm forward thinking, and I think later I'll need a before bed snack. Biscuits with chocolate.
Yeah. An IKEA day.
It is 24 hours after all. I've never had the cookies from here. Those are cute.
It's like jaded.
They do. They really do.
Don't they? And even the size, like the shape and everything is so nice.
Right? The bowl plate.
Right? What's got you caught up over here?
What is that? Mom, I found the thing you almost forgot about.
Oh, right.
You said you were gonna remember.
That's why you're here. You remember.
Guys,
nice.
I've been here for going on 6 hours, and the only thing I wanted was this duvet cover, and it's sold out. Did you guys sell it out before I could get a piece? You told me you wouldn't do that. I want this.
It might be on the floor.
Mom. I'm having a freak out.
Yeah, wake up. We're getting into the baskets.
I need those. I need those.
You're gonna need those.
Those.
I like this. I think I'd use this.
No, you wouldn't. You literally wouldn't use it.
I think I would. Or even as a hamper.
Yes.
It's the rug I've always wanted.
Wow, I like that it's beige.
For my doorway.
I like that it's beige.
This is gonna be for the doorway. Finally. What is this?
Oh, I don't know. Let me see.
I'm really starting to think maybe I need to have something I can't see through.
Okay.
I'm gonna need to hide some stuff in my pantry.
Wait, open your mouth. No, close your mouth. Have you had salmon between your teeth all day?
No, do I have salmon in between my teeth? Is there a fish in my mouth?
Nothing I wanted is here.
Aww. But guess what? They do have
The rug you want?
It's the rug I've always wanted. Swedish meatballs for supper.
We decided to check out with all of our goodies before we had dinner. That way we could drop everything off in our car instead of hauling this giant cart to the restaurant.
When you've been at IKEA 7 hours, that's not a very comfy looking chair.
It's not gonna fit in the car.
Do you think? Surely Dad will come back and get us if need be.
Hey team, just in line. Hi, can I get the Swedish meatballs? Thank you. Excited. Thank you.
I'll have the Swedish meatballs, please.
Yummy. Oh girl. Yeah. Hey team. You guys, we have the Swedish meatballs. Oh my F. Let's just say I'm pretty excited about it. We moved, but we've got the Swedish meatballs, and honestly, I couldn't be more excited. This is why I'm here. This is why I live and breathe.
Even when you buy IKEA meatballs and take them home and cook them, they don't taste the same.
Why is that? Because I agree. If you buy like a bag of it, it's not the same. But why though? This has got to be their best dish.
It's their signature.
You kind of can't beat this, right?
Do you like the berry sauce?
I don't ever eat the berry sauce. Like, what would I eat it with? How do I do it?
It's really difficult. You put it on a fork, then you put it in your mouth.
Oh, okay. I guess I'll try my best. Like this, with everything?
Oh yes, that's a good bite.
Okay, it's very sweet.
What was your favorite thing you bought today?
Weirdly enough, I think my drink pitcher. I'm excited to make like a cucumber lemon water and just like set it out and be like, help yourself, everyone. What about you? What are you most excited about?
I am pretty excited to have a big stainless steel bowl.
Are you trying to say that you're most excited about your stainless steel bowl?
Yeah, I really like that. You know how many times I go for a bowl and I don't have a big bowl?
I'm gonna go investigate.
I'm giving her 2 extra meatballs. See if she notices. See if she notices that.
Just as I suspected.
What is it?
$8.99.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Okay, so $9, 18 plus this, plus my chocolate milk. So yeah, it was probably like 20 something. That's pretty amazing.
Very amazed. Yeah.
Remember when we came that one time and you got extra meatballs?
Did I? That's a lot of meatballs.
What was your favorite meal?
I gotta say, everything impressed me a lot. Like the breakfast impressed me a lot. The salmon at lunch was so good. This is like the showstopper because this is like the classic. Which one would I hurry back for again?
Yeah.
Definitely the meatballs.
I would hurry back for this too.
They don't have it as their signature dish for no reason.
There's no one I'd rather eat at IKEA for 24 hours with.
Right? We conquered this place.
We conquered it.
Time actually went by fast.
I would agree.
I think
Can
we
you
could
eat
do
that?
That's yours.
Half a meatball. Can you do it, please?
You had extra meatballs.
No, really? Because there were so many. Did you buy them?
No, but when you left, I put my meatballs onto your plate.
So how many meatballs did I eat?
9.5.
9.5. That makes sense though, because at one before this, I felt like I couldn't finish it.
I was lolling to myself.
Guys, it's been real.
I need to go home now.
I can't keep staying at IKEA. Maybe there will be a late night snack in our future that we picked up while here. This has been breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
We did it. We conquered it.